Why you feel like you can't make a mistake when you're together with a narcissist. Hi everyone. We normally use the word narcissist to describe someone who is very self-centered and short on empathy. However, through their discrete actions, people around them may feel like they can't make a mistake when they're together with a narcissist. This gives the narcissist an opportunity to get closer to their victims and hurt them. If you're in this position, you need to learn the reasons. Here are some practical ways to know why you feel like you can't make a mistake when you're together with a narcissist.
Before moving further, don't forget to like and please share this video if you think this information is helpful to you. And do subscribe and activate the notification bell if you're new here.
1. You haven't seen them for who they are. You feel you can't make a mistake when you're with a narcissist because you don't see them for who they really are. When they turn on the charm and act like someone with genuine feelings, you will not see them for who they really are, a narcissist. You get drawn to their lofty ideas, dreams and promises. The behaviour makes you feel like you can't make a mistake when you're together with them. Instead, you feel like you should do your best to reciprocate the narcissist's feelings. Better be careful and watch how they treat those around them. If they lie, manipulate or blatantly disrespect others, even though they're very sweet towards you, there's no reason to believe they won't do the same to you. 2. You have yet to break their spells. Another time you feel you can't make a mistake is when you don't stop focusing on them and break the admiration spell. When there's a narcissistic personality in your space, attention seems to gravitate their way. That's by design, and so this attention will not allow you to realise that you've made a mistake. This happens more with introverts who don't want any attention, so they're happy to have attention given to them by narcissistic personalities. They now feel they can control things and not make a mistake. However, things don't turn out right with narcissists. When you're in a relationship with a narcissist, you need to set clear boundaries. A narcissistic person is often quite self-absorbed. They feel they're entitled to go where they want, snoop through your personal things, or tell you how you should feel. You may feel this normal as your spouse can go through your things, but it is not. From here they start giving you unsolicited advice and taking credit for things you've done. They might even pressure you to talk about private things in a public setting. This is when you now realise that, yes, you can't make a mistake when with them, or else you'll see the consequence. 3. Engaging in a relationship too early. Another time you may feel like you can't make a mistake with people who are narcissists in nature is early in a relationship. All they do at this time is hook their victims in with a tactic called love bombing. At this early stage of the relationship, where the narcissist showers love on you, their target then makes you feel like the most special person in the world, showering you with compliments and gifts. At the time, the victim is likely to feel the luckiest person alive, believing they have found true love and they can't make a mistake being with this person. All in all, a narcissist's charm is sometimes so awesome that we might be blinded by it. However, if we're able to pay more attention to our surroundings and how the narcissist treats others, we might not believe them so fast.
Well, what do you think of this video? I hope this piece of information is helpful to you. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to follow our subsequent video updates. Thanks for watching this video.